Asynchronous versus synchronous interaction. Computer-based learning, video conferencing, virtual classrooms. Which method offers the most effective type of learning? What is asynchronous interaction? Asynchronous, which means not at the same time, allows the students to complete the assigned activities on his or her own time and schedule without live interaction with the instructor. This type of learning is usually student-centered, not done at the same time, very flexible, has the use of online resources to facilitate, and can be used on campus in distance education as well as continuing education. Asynchronous interaction combines self-study with interactions that help to promote learning. We have learning resources, which include wikis, blogs, threaded discussions, email, and online conferencing. Management systems such as Blackboard, Moodle, Wimble, and WebCT. There are also forms of communications that are used, such as video conferencing, text, voice chat, and instant messaging. Strengths involved in asynchronous learning. Students are provided access to the course material at any time via the World Wide Web. Requires interaction and communication between learners and course facilitators as well as other learners. All assignments can be archived electronically. Learners give and receive immediate feedback. Allows students to work at their own pace. Weaknesses. Students must have access to computers as well as internet to be effective. Students are prone to feel isolated and alone. And the program setup can be costly depending on size, location, and system being used. Asynchronous, student-centered, flexible, self-paced. What is synchronous interaction? Synchronous, same time, same location, same lesson. Synchronous refers to a group of people learning the same things at the same time in the same place. Synchronous interaction is practiced in K-12 schools as well as undergraduate programs. A great example of synchronous learning is a lecture. Skype and other instant messaging tools are used to promote synchronous interaction within e-learning environments. Strengths of synchronous interaction. Students or learners are together in the same room learning same skills and concepts. Allows the learner to exchange feedback and ideas immediately with other learners. Cooperative group sessions could be arranged and observed to see what each learner contributes to the assignment. Weaknesses. All students are expected to work at the same pace on the same assignment. Does not allow for flexibility. Constant need for monitoring. Facilitators must make sure all learners are engaged. Conclusion on the most effective type of interaction. Synchronous refers to a group of people learning at the same time. Synchronous is practiced in K-12 schools. Skype and other instant messaging tools are used to promote synchronous interaction within e-learning environments. The The move from traditional lecture hall to the cyber classroom has not only created grave anxiety for some English experts who do have adequate computer literacy, but also raised controversial questions regarding instructional effectiveness and efficiency. Asynchronous versus synchronous interaction. Which method offers the most effective learning? What is asynchronous interaction? Asynchronous, which means not at the same time, allows a student to complete the assigned activities on his or her own time and schedule without live interaction with the instructor.